Hello viewers, welcome to Exquisite Escalation, your communication skills aggrandizing platform at cml.com.pk. Today I'm going to start Dutch language learning sequence for you with the most effective and briefly describing methods of instructions. At the very early stage of this worthwhile sequence, you would learn Dutch alphabet and pronunciation rules. Before that I engage your contemplation to main stuff like alphabet and pronunciation rules, I would like to pass on some imperative disambiguation about Dutch language that might become the foremost reason to originate a natural interest and eagerness to learn the Dutch language expeditiously. Dutch is known as Nederlandic, is an official language of Netherlands that is known as Holland. It belongs to West Germanic language group and spoken by 24 million peoples as first language and by 5 million peoples as second language. Along with German and French, it is the third official language of Belgium that is known as Flemish. Furthermore, it also holds the official status in Suriname, Curaçao and Sint Maarten. These are the constituent countries of the Kingdom of Netherlands. The word of Dutch is very close to German, but its accent and intonation are slightly different due to absence of umlaut and the infricative sounds of letter G. Obviously, we can find some similarities in both languages, but in spoken, these are far more different. Dutch alphabet. There are 26 letters in Dutch alphabet, 20 consonants and 6 vowels because Y is also considered as a vowel in Dutch alphabet. Most of these letters are pronounced as in English and you might have acquaintance, but few of these letters are pronounced differently and you need tight practice to pronounce these letters correctly. Let's get started. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And now pronunciation rules. In this section, I shall delineate the visual depiction of perfect pronunciation by using relevant examples for each letter gradually. Let's have a look with deep consideration to understand the different positions and different sounds of all these vowels and consonants. First, Dutch vowels. Generally in Dutch, the vowel have two different sounds occupying two various positions. First as short vowel and second as long vowel. Mostly when a vowel is single in Dutch word, that is pronounced as short vowel. Then the vowel is double, then obviously it is pronounced as long vowel. Here we have some pertinent example to understand their both position. Either it is used as short vowel or long vowel. A. When it is used as short vowel, it is pronounced swiftly. A. Man, stad, glas. Man, stad, glas. When it is used as long vowel, then it is pronounced a bit longer sound. For instance, man, waard, traan. Man, waard, traan. And similarly, air. Pen, hek. Pen, hek. Eend, geen, zee. Eend, geen, zee. E. Wit, dik, vis. Wit, dik, vis. Niets, ziek, vies. Niet, ziek, vies. O. Zon, sook, boos. Zon, sook, boos. Groot, boot, loop. Groot, boot, loop. U. Bus, zus, lucht. bus, zus, lucht. Duur, uur, luur. Duur, uur, luur. And now consonants. Let's have a closer look to understand their different sounds while standing at various positions in Dutch word. Beer. This letter is pronounced like B, as in bomb. Bomb. When it appears as a last letter in Dutch word, then it is pronounced like P. P, as in wep. Krap. Wep. Krap. Seer. When it appears as a first letter in Dutch word before E and A vowel, then it is pronounced like S, as in circa. Circa. Elsewhere it is pronounced like K, as in Cuba. Cuba. Dare. Generally it is pronounced like D, as in dime. Dime. When it appears as a last letter in Dutch word, then it is pronounced like T. T, as in worth. Worth. F. This letter is pronounced like F, as in feets. Feets. H. This letter is pronounced like H, H, an infricative sound. Hek. Harot. Hek. Harot. When it appears with the combination of consonant N, then it is pronounced like G, as in langzaam. Langzaam. Ha. This letter is pronounced like H, as in hond. Hond. Ye. This letter is pronounced like Y, as in yas. Yas. Ka. The letter K is pronounced like K, as in kaud. Kaud. L. This letter is pronounced like L, as in licht. Licht. M. This letter is pronounced like M, as in marked. Marked. N. This letter is pronounced like N, as in net. Net. Pear. This letter is pronounced like P, as in parapalu. Parapalu. Q. This letter is pronounced like K, as in quiz. Quiz. S. This letter is pronounced like S, as in slecht. Slecht. Tear. This letter is pronounced like T, as in tas. Tas. And the second pronunciation of this letter is like T, as in time. Time. Where. This letter had two different sounds. First, as where in boven. Boven. And the second pronunciation is like F, especially when it appears as a first letter in Dutch word, as in vis. Vis. Where. This letter is pronounced like V, as in with. With. X. X. This letter is pronounced like X. X, as in taxi. Taxi. A. This letter belongs to a vowel group in Dutch language, but I put in this a consonant list because to express both different sounds while standing at different position in Dutch word. First, as E, as in xylophone. Xylophone. And second, J, as in major. Major. The last letter of Dutch alphabet, Z, is pronounced like Z, as in zacht. Zacht. And now the most essential part of this lecture video, Dutch diphthongs. How two or more vowels are pronounced while standing together in Dutch words. A, U, O, U. These two combinations are pronounced like ow. Ow, as in blauw, now. Blauw, now. A, E, E, J. These two combinations are pronounced like A, as in fijn, train, fijn, train. U, E, U, E. This combination is pronounced like as in dime, time, dime, time. U, V, U, V. This combination is pronounced like U, as in slue, slue. A, U, A, U. This combination is pronounced like as in der, nurse, der, nurse. A, E. This combinations of vowel is pronounced like I, as in sigh, thigh, sigh, thigh. O, A, E. This combination is pronounced like oi, as in chroi, schroien, chroi, schroien. O, E. This combination is pronounced like ui, as in mui, mui. A, U, V. A, U, V. This combination is pronounced like eu, as in leo, leo. E, U, V. E, U, V. This combination is pronounced like eu, as in new, new. And now at the final step, some consonant combinations. How two or more consonants are pronounced while standing together in Dutch words. Say ha, say ha. This combination has two different sounds while standing together in various positions. Normally it is pronounced like h, as in licht, licht. When it appears in the beginning of Dutch word, then it is pronounced like sh, as in chocolade, chocolade. S say ha, This combination is pronounced like sch, as in schip, schip. S, J. This combination is pronounced like sh, as in meische, meische. T, J. This combination is pronounced like ch, as in chockful, chockful. That's all, viewers. If your intention to learn the Dutch is as a fun, or it is essential subject for you for higher studies or family reunion purposes, then this lecture video will help you to acquire strong grip on perfect pronunciation and would be proven as a splendid foundation for all my upcoming lecture videos. I will be back with a new Dutch lecture soon. Stay safe, and especially in COVID situation, and keep learning. See you then.